Let me share a secret for getting brilliantly white laundry. Your clothes will regain their snowy white color without using any chlorine bleach. First, take a regular bar of soap and grate it using a coarse grater. Put the grated soap into a pot and pour in 1 liter of warm water. Heat the pot over low heat. After a moment, add 1 cup of salt. Salt whitens and removes stains. Mix everything thoroughly. Then add 1 cup of baking soda, which is well known for its whitening properties. Stir the mixture well and keep mixing until all the ingredients are completely combined. Once they are, remove the pot from the heat and let the mixture cool. Then pour it into an old laundry detergent bottle. Place your white clothes in a basin, pour the mixture over them, soak them thoroughly, and leave for at least 20 minutes. Then wash them in the machine as usual. After washing, you'll notice the difference. Your clothes will be much whiter.